everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on sheep. Sheep are gentle animals that live on farms or in the wild. They have thick, woolly coats that help them warm in cold weather. Farmers keep sheep for their wool, milk, and meat. Sheep eat grass and other plants and love to graze in fields. Baby sheep are called lambs and they are very cute and playful. Sheep make a baa sound to communicate with each other. A group of sheep is called a flock. They have excellent memories and can remember faces for years. Wool from sheep is used to make warm clothes like sweaters and scarves. Sheep are important animals and are loved by many people. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.